Hello and welcome back to our channel Maha Uma's World. Thank you everyone for your continued support. If you still have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get notified whenever we make a new video. For making pizza, the ingredients are: take a mixing bowl. We are going to add 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon instant yeast, 1/4 cup warm water, 1/4 cup milk and 2 tablespoon oil. Mix well and keep it aside for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take another mixing bowl, add 1.5 cup all-purpose flour and required amount of salt. Mix well, then add the yeast mixture. And knead well until we get a smooth dough. Now soft dough is ready. If your dough is too hard, add little more warm water and make a soft dough like this. Then cover it and set aside for 2 hours or until the dough doubles in size. After 2 hours, you can see the dough have been raised well. Now knead the dough for 5 minutes. In case if any air bubbles is there, we can remove it. Roll the dough as a thick circle. Then transfer it to the baking tray. Spread well on the baking tray so it will look even. Then take the spoon and press the edges to form a rim effect. Meanwhile, I preheated the oven at 350 degree Fahrenheit. After that, you can prick the dough with a fork for even cooking. Brush well with oil before baking. Now the base is ready. We need to cook for 10 minutes or until the edges and center turn golden color. I am going to use some paneer and different kind of capsicums, onion, then olives for the topping. You can use your favorite toppings as well. After 10 minutes, you can see the base turn golden color. At this stage, I am going to add pizza sauce, spread it well on the dough. Then add grated cheese. I am using mozzarella. followed by your favorite toppings. Now my topping is ready. I'm going to add some more cheese on top of that. At last, add some seasoning as per your taste. I'm using pizza seasoning and some chili flakes. Now the pizza is ready to go inside the oven. Bake it again at 350 Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes or until the pizza is get golden brown and cheese melts. As you can see, now the edges are turned golden brown and cheese got melted. This is the correct stage to take it out. You can see how cheesy I hope you all like it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe our channel and click the bell icon.